Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to run Flash, Adobe Flash in 2021. So you go to your internet browser, and as you can see, when you go to the usual download site on Adobe Flash, it says Adobe Flash Player will not be able to run after January the 12th, 2021. Because they ended the live because HTML has come. So yeah, they said that they've ended it, they killed it all off. RIP. Anyways, if you guys still want to play your Flash games, you have to go to the download site in the description, and it's Flashpoint Infinity 9.0. Click download installer, but I've already downloaded it. It's 500 MB download, but it's all worth it because you can run all your Flash games on this. So after you've downloaded it, and go to the download, click on Flashpoint 9.0 Infinity. Click on it and then click Start Flashpoint. And then we'll open up. Give it about 10 to 15 seconds. It will open up. Then it will just go through the starting menu, and you click on games when it opens up. Like I said, it takes a bit of time to open, but it's all worth it. Yeah, here it is. It's opened. Hooray, after a billion years. Anyways, so what you have to do is, like I said before, click games. Yeah, like I said, the title screen. You click games, and then you search, I don't know, like Ben to the rescue. Yeah, here it is. You click on it, and then you can load it up, and then you can start playing the game. As you can see, it's fully functioning. So you can play lots of other games like Sonic Run, and all of that, like Super Sonic the Hedgehog. It works, yeah, but it takes a bit of time if you're doing it first time. You can do it. So Sonic, like any games, takes a bit of time if you're loading that very game first time. But after that, it will work as always. Let's say for example, if I went to Sonic Saves Mario, or Mario Bros in Sonic's World, then it will load up because I've already loaded it up before. Start game, and you just play main game. Mario, Luigi, Toad, or Toadette. Choose anyone. I don't really. I'm just gonna play start game, and then it's fully functioning. You just have to use keyboard for controls. And for the last one, let's say Mario Combat. And then for Mario Combat, it will work as well as any other game. Let's say you just click play, and yeah, just the title screen. Click play game, and you could just like crush everything. I don't know. I just knocked them off. So anyways, thanks guys. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Put a comment in the comment box. Share the video everywhere you can. And I'll see you next time. Kudos.
Secrets that it hid.